Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present our project progress as a mid-semester assessment as Team EF4D Team 4 with the project title is Implementation of Artificial Intelligence for a Geospatial-based Market Data Processing and Prediction. So, these are our group members. This project is managed and proposed by Mr. Anguriadi SSE MCOM. Next, I am as an AI engineer, and other member is Ananda Husnul Khotimah as a software engineer. So, this is our project background. We will start about the Batam economic growth. In 2023, Batam can reach until 7.4% of economic growth. That's one of the factor is many of businesses in the Batam city. One of them is MSMAS industry. MSMAS is micro, small, medium enterprises. That's we can say UMKM businesses. So, but with a lot of businesses, we find 75% of them is same category of businesses. Like in data, this can much of food and beverage businesses. So, with this challenge, I think many business cannot hold for the long term because very hard competition. So, what's problem we define? The first one is intention-based location. So, many of business owners, like especially for the beginners, they choose the location based on the situation, like busy or have an empty space without any data to support it. The second, static geospatial data with minimum AI integration. So we can see the geospatial data like on maps or something, but not have an AI integration to support what is the purpose of the business, like the specific recommendation to how to make some, what is the preferred location to make the businesses. The three is difficult in identifying market gaps and saturation. So the business owners difficult to identify what is the market for, like how they saturated with the same category or something.
Okay, next is the solution. So here's the solution. It's GeoMarket AI. What is GeoMarket AI? GeoMarket AI is an AI for geospatial system that will help Batam SMEs to find the most strategic location recommendation by using the machine learning like data scan and random forest, and also the explainable AI is shown. And all those things will deliver through a REST API and interactive web dashboard. So let's talk about what GeoMarket AI actually does for you. So GeoMarket AI is able to help SMEs owner to make smarter decisions about where to open and grow their business. Instead of just guessing, they can choose our platform is GeoMarket AI, and they can get the data-driven location recommendation. So every decision is backed by the real information. And how GeoMarket AI will do that? GeoMarket AI have a system that will automatically maps up competitor density and find market gaps in your area. It means GeoMarket AI will show you all the competition is where is the competition is healthy, and more importantly where it's not. And why all those things matter in the long term? Because one of the biggest reasons this small business fail is because they get wrong to choose to open their business. So with that in mind, let me walk you through exactly how the system will work. Okay. So GeoMarket AI have four main features. The first one is Geospatial Business Mapping. This is a So GeoMarket AI have a visually maps that will show all the business around an area that you choose to open your business. And the second one is the market gap and saturation index. These features is like will answer your question about is the area already too crowded, or we can still get the opportunity to be taken in that area. So the third one is competitor analysis. So it's not enough just to know your competitor exists, but you need to understand them, and then you have to know where your competition and who you are competitor, and how dense the competition really is. So the last thing that will tie everything together is AI location recommendation. Based on all the data from those three features before, our AI can give you a smart, personalized recommendation about where you have to open your business. Okay, next.
Okay, next I will explain about a bit of technical system or application. So this is ML algorithm that we will use. We have three technology here. So the first one using DBScan for the market area clustering. So why we use the DBScan? Because that can be automatically cluster for the about using density for each of the geospatial data. So the second we use random forest for the location of recommendation. So we make the future based on the DBScan results, like cluster ID and density for give recommendation into a random forest model. Why is and where the potential location that's so the user can use. The third we use SAP as an explainable AI. So this technology used for explain what is the important thing, like why the system recommended that location. So like we can see like because many lot minimum of category near of the road or something. Okay, this is our AI system architecture. So we have three main layers here. The first one is data layer. In data layer, this process how we process the data into our AI model. So we use data sets, place data from Google APIs. After that, we do cleaning and pre-processing and this layer. After that, we move at model layer to train the models, which is DBScan and random forest model, and then we can get the model file that job lib, and then we move into the application layer to show what is the result of our AI models.
Okay, so this is our project progress, and we currently at the 55% completion, and we proud that more than half of work is already done. So we start with the project requirement, and in this phase we define the full scope, the problem that we're solving, the target user, and what the system needs to do. And at the same time, we're preparing the data preparation, like collecting and cleaning the geospatial and business data that AI will use to make the recommendation. And the next is UI and system design. In this phase, we design how the application will work, how user will interact with it, and how all the components will connect together. And also, we completed the AI system architecture. We planned it and structured how the AI model will work, and how it processes location data, and how it generates the recommendation. That's done, and right now we're in the middle to progress the code implementation. This is where the real building happens. We are working on the integration the AI into the system. So next.
Okay, maybe that's all about our project progress. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.